Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I realize an updated cover video for my channel is long since overdue, so I figured I'd get to it. So if you can't tell by all the crap around me, this channel is primarily on firearms and firearms adjacent things. So on firearms, shooting firearms, how to read, boom! Shooting firearms, how to shoot better, firearms reviews, I will be reaching out to High Point to see what they say, cleaning videos, anything ammunition related. I got my Hori press here, so reloading, tips and tricks on how to reload. YouTube doesn't let me show you how to cast bullets. I've gotten 2 strikes for that, so we're not gonna go there. YouTube, free speech, what's that? Anyway, sometimes I'll do some more funny April Fool's-ish kind of things, shooting toilets, throwing toilets off the roof. Shooting stupid things, potato launchers. I'll even do reviews of firearms accessories, talking about firearms accessories. You can tell. Showing you how to DIY holsters, Kydex holsters. We're gonna put the firearm in there and you're gonna pull relatively tight. I can even get into anything firearms-ish related, self-defense sphere. That's what this channel is all about. And if you ever have any video suggestions, please put them in the comment section of this video or any of my other videos. I still personally read every single comment, and honestly, a lot of the videos that I do come from suggestions from viewers like you. Now, I did recently create another YouTube channel. It's called Larkin's Life. I don't post to that very often because I don't have a ton of time, but essentially anytime I come up with a video idea that isn't firearms related or doesn't really belong on this channel, I go ahead and throw it on that other channel. Also guys, this channel, I film it in my garage, so you'll see the tools and crap behind me change from video to video because unlike those fancy YouTubers that have a dedicated studio, this is where I work on other crap. So right now I got carburetors I'm pulling apart and all sorts of things. I got this little Kawasaki ATV that's not even mine that I'm fixing up for somebody else, just torn to pieces. So this isn't a dedicated studio or nothing like that. Okay guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Again, if you have any video suggestions, put it in the comment section below. As always guys, see ya on the next one.